Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Air Mold Tester is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home's health and safety, ensuring a clean and healthy living environment free from harmful mold and mildew. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right air mold tester for your needs, covering key features, functionalities, and factors to consider before making a purchase decision. Number 5. Blueair Blueair 311i Plus Max. It's here, the new Blueair 311i Plus Max. This top-performing air purifier is part of our new Pure Max series, bringing you cleaner air faster and quieter than ever before. Quiet Marks certified, it operates at a whisper quiet 23 to 50 dB. It can purify large spaces up to 1,116 square feet in just 30 minutes on high. Experience the power of HEPA silent dual filtration. It delivers cleaner air faster, using less energy and making less noise than traditional HEPA filters. It removes at least 99.97% of airborne particles, including viruses and smoke, down to 0.1 microns. It also captures pet dander, pollen, mold, and dust, and traps household odors. With the Blueair app, you can schedule cleanings, monitor air quality, and even get an estimated time to clean air. Plus, it's Alexa compatible. It features an intuitive display with a 5-color AQI indicator and a simple 2-button design. Control fan speed, night mode, and more with ease. Ensure optimal performance with the genuine Blueair F3 Max Plus replacement filter. It's designed specifically for your Blueair 311i Plus Max. What we like? It boasts a powerful filtration system that's significantly faster and quieter than competitors. If you need to purify a large space quickly and efficiently without disturbing the peace, this is the perfect choice. Its large coverage area makes it ideal for open-plan living areas or larger homes. What people say. The lowest speeds are completely silent and even the highest speed is fairly quieter than our non-Blueair purifiers, quiet mode. The app allows you to see the air quality in your room and control your device remotely. Setting up the device and app is extremely simple and clear. Very quiet. On auto maintenance mode, you can't hear the thing. These are smart machines. You can monitor every aspect of your air quality through the app. You can adjust the control lights from off to bright. It tracks months of air quality data for the room it is in by month, week, day. You can adjust from sleep mode, auto, and 3 fan speeds using the app remotely. It tells you how much filter life is left. It tells you the outside air quality and compares to your inside. Within 15 minutes of it being on in my room, immediately I noticed how light and fresh the air is. There's no unpleasant scent at all other than the new filter smell, which doesn't bother me. It gets rid of cooking smells too. Noise level is appropriate and can be tolerated. First level of air option is very quiet and almost no noise. Number 4. Blueair Blueair 211i Max. This air purifier is designed for large rooms, offering superior cleaning power and quiet operation. It's perfect for homes with pets, allergies, or other sensitivities. It cleans up to 3,048 square feet in just 1 hour. Experience cleaner air, faster than ever before. This innovative technology delivers faster cleaning with significantly less noise and energy consumption compared to traditional HEPA filters. It removes at least 99.97% of airborne particles, including viruses, smoke, pet dander, pollen, mold, and dust. It also captures household odors. With the Blueair app, you can schedule cleanings, monitor air quality, and even receive notifications. It's also compatible with Alexa. What we like? This model uses cutting-edge technology to deliver superior performance. If you're looking for a smart air purifier that can handle extremely large spaces, this one is unmatched. Its smart features and large coverage area make it perfect for large homes or commercial spaces. What people say. It was recommended by my allergist. I have very bad allergies and this works real well. Easy to set up and operate. I can monitor its function on my phone. Easy to clean and replace the filter. It is very quiet and airflow is very good. It has a sleep mode at night, so it won't disturb your sleep. Very quiet. On auto maintenance mode, you can't hear the thing. These are smart machines. You can monitor every aspect of your air quality through the app. You can adjust the control lights from off to bright. It tracks months of air quality data for the room it is in by month, week, day. You can adjust from sleep mode, auto, and 3 fan speeds using the app remotely. It tells you how much filter life is left. It tells you the outside air quality and compares to your inside. Example of its effectiveness: I was sautéing some Italian sausage and onions. The unit detected the particles and immediately went into high mode for about 5 minutes until all the odor was eliminated and then went back to silent. The filter is smart and I can follow the air quality via cell phone. When the air is within cleanliness limits, the fan silently runs circulating air. When it detects a rise in particulates, it speeds up. It was interesting to note that it even detects when I'm cooking in the kitchen in the next room. It speeds up and displays the resultant rise in particulates on my phone. Number 3. PuroAir HEPA Air Purifier. It's proven to capture pollutants in your home's air. This purifier cleans rooms up to 1,115 square feet, so you can breathe easy and say goodbye to allergies. It features a powerful 3-layer filtration system. This captures up to 99.9% of pollutants, including dust, pollen, smoke, and VOCs, particles 700 times smaller than a human hair. It's been lab tested and studied to remove common household pollutants. Better filtration means improved allergy symptoms and sleep quality. It's also certified by CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and Energy Star. A smart sensor monitors air quality and adjusts power as needed. It has a sleep mode for quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms, and is designed for 24/7 use. We stand by our product's performance. Over 300,000 families trust it to keep their air clean. If you have a problem, our team is here to help. What we like? This air purifier offers a comprehensive 3-layer filtration system that effectively removes a wide range of pollutants. If you prioritize quiet operation and thorough cleaning, this model is a great option. Its quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms or nurseries. What people say. It is very quiet, you can barely hearing it running at all when on medium. I like the design, looks good and instructions are clear. I have it on auto but can be set on different speeds. Love that there is a color-coded light to let you know the quality of the air in the room. Low noise, which I like because I do like some white noise in the bedroom. This air purifier works great. It is quiet, you can put the fan on the speed you choose. It is lightweight and makes air smell clean. Number 2. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. It provides a safe and easy way to detect mold. You'll get visible results in just 48 hours. This versatile kit works both indoors and outdoors. Test your home's air quality or sample visible mold. It offers 3 testing methods: indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling for visible mold. Everything you need is included: petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium. It's ready to use right out of the box. For a small extra fee, mail it in for professional identification of the mold type. Get a detailed analysis of your results. With this kit, you can easily and effectively test for mold. Take control of your home's air quality. What we like? This mold test kit provides quick and reliable results using multiple testing methods. If you need a simple and effective way to test for mold in various locations, this is a great choice. Its versatility makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. What people say. This was super easy to use. Cluster indicator mold was present and located its whereabouts inside the walls, repaired clean good air now and home. Easy, and afford app. This product is really best to give one peace of mind after they've cleaned some mold. For me, it let me know that, yeah, there's still mold in the air, but it isn't growing on the wall where I found it anymore, and after taking a sample 3 times longer than the directions asked for, I still only got minor growth after waiting 4 entire days. Number 1. Blueair 211 Plus Auto Air Purifier. It automatically adjusts to maintain optimal air quality. The LED indicator shows you exactly how clean your air is, with blue for excellent, orange for moderate, and red for polluted. It cleans large rooms quickly and quietly. Experience cleaner air in minutes, thanks to its advanced dual filtration system. It's incredibly energy efficient, using less energy than an LED light bulb on its lowest setting. Save money and protect the environment. It removes up to 99.99% of common allergens, helping to reduce allergy and asthma symptoms. Breathe easier and healthier. It eliminates odors and particles as small as 0.1 microns, including smoke, dust, viruses, and pet dander. Enjoy fresh, clean air, free from pollutants. It's an award-winning air purifier, recognized for its superior performance and safety. Trust a brand with a proven track record. It's independently tested and verified for performance and safety, including zero ozone emission. You can trust its quality and reliability. For best results, remember to replace the filter every 6 months and always use genuine Blueair filters. Find replacement filters online. What we like. It offers an auto mode that automatically adjusts to maintain optimal air quality. If you value convenience and energy efficiency, this is a great option. Its low energy consumption and automatic adjustments make it perfect for those who want a hassle-free solution. What people say. It is whisper quiet when the air is clean, and still fairly quiet on the next level, only getting loud but still not unbearable on the highest setting when it is cleaning the air. It has helped ease the dusting pain as well. It not only detected smoke but it detected odors like fried fish that we made one night, which is pretty cool, so it's good to remove cooking odors as well. It did detect poor air quality and upped the fan. Within 30 minutes it cleared out the air. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.